Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Liz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. As you can see by the title, we have a holiday pack with me for holiday video and I am super excited. I know it's October, but we're here, we're packing for holiday. Me and Connor are going away to Turkey with some of his family. If you've seen my Cyprus vlog, then we're doing that all over again, but without the wedding. I'll link that down below if you do want to go check it out. But yeah, before we begin, please consider subscribing to my channel if you want to see more content like this from me, more vlogs. We're doing very autumnal vlogs, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see a holiday vlog. I can't say that I'm going to be filming much because it's a family holiday, but if you want to see that, then obviously I will be willing to do so. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So as you can see behind me, I've got my two suitcases. I am going to try and narrow it down to one, but what I need to do is go through both of them because I've got everything. I think there's a little bit of something in my wardrobes, but all my summer stuff are in these two suitcases because obviously if you've seen my channel, you'll know that I've recently just moved house and I organised everything into categories and stuff, and I put all my summer stuff in those suitcases. So what I'm going to do is open them up, lay them down. I am in my living room because there's a lot more space, and then I can see what I need. We do fly a week today, which I've left it a bit late. There's probably going to be no summer clothes around, so hopefully I fit into everything. But luckily I went on holiday to Zante in, I want to say June. Oh my god, that was ages ago. I'll probably do a time lapse of me going through my suitcases, seeing what's in there, what toiletries I need. I am working tomorrow, which is Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. So I think Friday is payday. So I'm gonna get all like the toiletries, like sun cream and stuff like that when I'm in work. So annoying though, we fly on the 2nd of October. We don't get back until the day of my birthday, the 13th of October. I don't want to talk about it. Why we're flying on the day of my birthday, I don't know. We get home like extremely early in the morning as well. Anyway, in work, I work in a Boots on Clinique. We have double discount twice a year, staff double discount, and it falls on the 2nd of October till the 10th. So I'm not going to be able to get my double discount this year for Christmas. So annoying, but it is what it is, whatever. Anyway, I'm rambling as usual, but I'm gonna open these up and show you guys what I've got going on. So obviously you can see here, let me go on this side so I'm not blocking the sunlight. I've got two of my suitcases. I've got, I think, all my shoes in here, all my shoes in that compartment. In this one though, in the smaller one, I made sure to put stuff that I know I love in that one. I need to try some stuff on. I need to have a look at outfit planning because we don't get there until afternoon sort of time on the Monday, I think. Maybe evening, so I need to think of an outfit for the evening. So I need to plan bikini, swimwear, and then I need to do, like, if we go on excursions, I need outfits for those. It's a lot. I'm so excited. I'm so ready to have a holiday because, like I said, I haven't had a holiday since June, which I'm very fortunate for, very lucky, but I need the sun. But like I said in one of my moving vlogs, I love the sun on holiday, but not in the UK. Because on holiday you can chill, you've got a cold pool by you, you can do whatever. But in the UK you have to do work, jobs, you need to do chores, everyday life. No thank you. I'm gonna lay it all out now and by categories of what I think I'm gonna take, what I don't think I'm gonna take, shoes, bags, stuff like that. it's the next day now. It is the 28th of September and I'm just getting some makeup bags together for my hair stuff, skincare, and stuff like that. So I'm going to put them in like categories. And I've also done all my washing. I just need to get the whites together because they're still on the washing line. Okay, so I've sorted out all the toiletries I have here. I'm just gonna go through my checklist that I've got. I've got toiletries, electricals, skincare, makeup, tools, hair, jewellery, other, shoes, bags and clothes. I'm gonna go through like body first. I do need to go upstairs and have a quick look at some other things, but I think my toiletries can go in here because I think it's going to be the most. So first thing on my toiletries list is body wash, which I have here, so that's going to go in. I am going to double check through these again, so I'm going to take these off while I go. Roll-on deodorant, and I've also got a little mini to go with me when we go on like excursions and stuff. Toothpaste, toothbrush. I've got my toothbrush here. Mouthwash, me and Connor are going to get one of those. Talc, that's upstairs. Talc that's not talc, it's the one from Lush. I've got this Bondi Sands tannin milk shaver, I need to get that. SPF 30, SPF 20. So that's for my body stuff. Obviously I need to keep that out because I will be putting more things in there. I've got these little gift bags from when we were on gift on Clinique. I'm going to put my skincare in these because I'm going to take all my skincare out anyway. Cleansing balm. Is this a fresh one? Yep. Cleansing balm. Micellar water. Face wash. Yep. Face scrub. No, I need to get that. Face mask. So I've got a few face masks. I've got some from Superdrug and some from Garnier. Vitamin C serum. That's the Garnier one. I need to get hyaluronic acid serum. Morning eye cream, which is my All About Eyes. Morning moisturizer, my Moisture Surge, but I do need to fill that because that's like my travel size. So I won't take that yet. And I also need to fill my night cream in as well. Lip oil, I need to get that. Oh, I've got my night serum. I can just use my, I've got like a little mini Estee Lauder serum. My face SPF, I've got my Vichy face SPF 50 and I've got my spray over makeup spray SPF. I need my morning toner and my night toner. I might take this one, vitamin C tonic from Pixie. Got a little mini overnight mask from Clinique which I'm gonna take because I love that. I've got the little mini clarifying lotion which I need to fill up. That's gonna be my night toner. I've got the Clinique BB gel which is a tinted moisturizer. I'm gonna take that. And I've also got a hydrating mist which I need to fill up, so that's going to be on the side. I need my lip balm. There's a lot of skincare that I still need. I'll do my makeup another day, I think. I've also got a hand cream that I'm going to take. Here I'm going to try and fit in this bag. I'm going to take the Tresemme one. The Colour Wow 1 Minute Transformation. Got that, and I've also decanted some of my Dream Coat into the little mini. I love it when the minis are refillable. So I got those two. These two are lifesavers. I'm going to take the Colour Wow Dream Cocktail Coconut Infused. Can't wait to use that. Shampoo and conditioner, I've got the Hair Burst and the conditioner one. But I've also got the Charles Warrington conditioner and shampoo. I'm not going to be shampooing my hair much, to be fair. I've got my Charles Warrington UV Scalp Leave-In Spray Protection. That's great on holiday. I've also got this dry conditioner, which I love, from Batiste. If you feel like your hair's really dry on holiday, especially from the salty water, seawater, or the chlorine, this is a lifesaver. I don't think all of this is going to fit. I've also got some mousse that I'm going to take. Can't go without that. Got hairspray, dry shampoo, which I don't think I'm going to need, but just in case. There's a hair mask. This is the Grow Gorgeous Thickening Hair Mask. And I've got my gel, which I was going to take this whole pot, but I don't know, I've got a little pot here. I've also got this head scrub, which I'm going to take. That's my hair stuff in that one. I need to fill these up, and I'm just going to put these in as they are, maybe. Okay, so that is my toiletries for now. If I add anything, I will let you guys know. It's great when you see everything ticked. It's such a good feeling. So I'm going to pop around now and just get stuff done. Like I said, I will pop back on if I add something in or anything like that. Okay, it is the next day now. It's looking very strange lighting, but my eyebrows look really dark today, but that's because I'm using a different product. I don't like it. Anyway, I'm going to pack my makeup with you guys today. I've got my box that I'm going to put my goodies in. I've got my list as well of makeup I want to take. Well, the list of makeup, like pore primer, hydrating primer, brow soap, brow powder, etc, etc. There's so much I want to take though, so this is going to be hard. Cut to the time lapse, and then after the time lapse I'm going to show you guys what's in the makeup bag before I pack it. Okay, so what I've had to do is put all my base stuff in here. It looks like a lot, but it's what I need. So what I'm going to do is put all my eye and lip products together in a separate bag. I'm also going to take this and try it when I'm away, the Curve Case by Made by Mitchell. I'm probably heavily overpacking my makeup, but do you know what? I don't care. I need it all. So I'm going to take you upstairs now. Oh, I also need lashes. God, it is right up here. So now, like I said, I'm going to put all this in the bag. I use this one because it's a bit bigger. You can't really see me. I'm going to put it in this bag here. I'm probably going to go through it again like closer to the date, because I've come to realise it was a lot, alright? And to be fair, I could take some of it in my hand luggage if I needed to. This little kit I got from the Beauty Crop has got mini setting mists, the Wishery and the Glow Milk. Love that, so handy. Just currently packing all my bags, so if I pan you down, ignore all the mess in the background, that's all Connor's. But this is my suitcase. I've packed all my bags and my hats. I've got my two beach bags. I've got bags for the evening. I've got my bum bag here. I got my new one that I got from Primark. If you've seen my vlog, you would have seen that. Taking a few shoes out. Got my shoes here. I just need to pack all my toiletries and stuff like that. But tonight I'm going to go through them all and double check that I've got everything. I was thinking of doing a get ready with me. For now I need to get ready for work. I've got work today, which is very inconvenient, but that's what it is. I also forgot some more stuff here, which is my whites, and I've still got to iron some stuff, so that's fun. Rolling is definitely the way to go. Also, if you've got dryers, what are they called? Tumble dryer sheets. They're perfect for suitcases because it keeps them nice and fresh, like all the clothes and stuff. So I'd highly recommend getting some of those. I feel like I'm overpacking, but at the same time I know I need everything and it all fits. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready for work. I will pick you guys back up after work when I'm gonna do like the final bits, and my suitcase is being closed tonight. Definitely. Got 2 days, well, a day really. I apologise about the state of me as well. I've been in work all day and I've just had a shower. But I'm going through my list on my phone just to double check that I've got everything, and I'm just gonna go through all the bags that I've got and like maybe take out some stuff that I'm put in and I know I'm not really gonna use it. So yeah, I'm gonna go through it all now, so cue the time lapse. Okay, I know it was quite a short clip yesterday. It was getting dark and the lighting was rubbish and yeah, anyway. So it's the 1st of October now. Happy Halloween, happy autumn. It is currently 8:30 in the morning. We've been busy running around. I was ironing this morning and stuff like that. But I thought I'd show you a little hack sort of thing that I do when I'm traveling. I get some dryer sheets from Lenore and I put them in my suitcase because this just helps to freshen the suitcase and the clothes, keep it fresh. So what I do is I should have done this before I packed really, but I get right down into the clothes, then I just put a few in. So all I need to do now is pack my brushes. So I've packed all my clothes and everything now, but like I said, I just need to sort my makeup brushes out and then I'm pretty much done. Hey guys, so I have officially now been away on holiday. I do apologise about the abrupt ending, but I was just editing this pack with me vlog and noticed I didn't end the video. So I hope you enjoyed this pack with me for holiday. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up so I know you enjoyed it, and please consider subscribing to my channel to see my holiday vlog, which I will be editing today. It is currently Sunday the 22nd of October. Again, taking me a while to edit this, but yeah, but I will be starting the holiday vlog editing today, so hopefully that'll be up sometime this week. But I'm uploading this video today, so hi, real time. Please leave me a comment down below what you're excited to see on the holiday vlog. I can't wait to edit it. It's going to give me the holiday blues, but I love the memories that it gives me. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in my next one.